Welcome to the channel again. Today we're having a look at the Eldoret Malaba Road, and most especially the bit between Rironi and Gitaru, which has been under construction for close to 2 years now. For regular viewers of the channel, they'll know that I've not used the Rironi Gitaru Road for quite a while since I found out about the Gekambura route. But this time I decided to see if there is an update on construction. There are deep edges on the sides and these really annoying bollards that they've put on the side to protect the cars from going into the ditch, but they are so far spaced, I'm not sure they serve much utility. One of the most worrisome parts of this road for me is the kind of speed that people are doing with the new road. It's not for the faint-hearted. Trucks, public service vehicles are really having a breeze on this road because they've suffered for a while as the construction was ongoing. I was driving this on an afternoon of a long weekend, so there was very little traffic. It wasn't very hard to find a spot to park and fly the drone without a lot of prying eyes, but it was really windy. My biggest worry for this road is that it might be worn out by the time they're at 100% completion, seeing as it's already open for use right now, and I do not have faith that they'll be finishing it anytime soon. So it might be time to repair it when it's just completed. I was also under the impression that this road will be expanded. Just ended up being what looks like a 2-lane road. I'm not sure they can squeeze in a 3rd lane on this road. It definitely is an improvement on what was existing. The previous road was bumpy, unmarked, and the median was not fit for use anymore. This train track is the old one and it goes to Limuru and further on. Interestingly, this area is called Chungamali. If you don't know what that means, you'll have to Google it. The drift at Zambezi has always been a fast drift, and no different here. It's a fast area. Still concerning that pedestrians don't have a bridge to cross over, so you're still finding people crossing the road as they jump over the median, which is quite high, or looking for the small gaps that are between medians. It's quite a big undertaking to build these roads. As you can see, the underpass is not a small construction. It's quite a huge construction, and this took quite a while. It's one of the reasons I think that this road has taken so long. enjoying the road is inshallah and good vibes. Could you watch the motorcyclists behind the truck and the bus, how much they weave across trying to find the perfect spot to overtake from? Motorcyclists are suicidal. I thought you just pocket that one and go home with. I never knew you had to put it on a flatbed. Remember when I said motorcyclists are suicidal? Watch this. So finally I'll have a look at, this is where the road goes to the interchange that takes you to Gitaru, takes you to Kikuyu town, takes you to the southern bypass and further on into Nairobi. So this is the final look at the Eldoret Malaba Road. The name of the road is quite a mouthful, but its official designation is A104, and in some places you will see it labeled as A8. I've never known why there is a discrepancy in the labeling. Thank you very much for watching. Please do remember to share and subscribe to the content. Do you have a comment to leave? Leave it down below. And I have a question for you. Do you think this road will get jam-packed again? Or do you think this is finally the solution to the traffic jam on this road? Leave a comment down below. Let's see what you think. Thank you for watching. Until I see you the next time. Wherever the road takes you, may it be full of joy.